Okay, we're on to prepositions or preposizioni. That means we are on the top third of our grammar pyramid. So we only have two more modules after this. So that means that we're doing good. You are doing fantastic. And you have made it this far all the way through Unit 2. So just a little bit further before onto Unit 3. And that's fantastic. You're doing great. Okay, prepositions. What is a preposition? A preposition, or una preposizione, is basically a tiny word that comes before, okay, we have pre, meaning before, a noun to show the relationship, position, okay, preposition, to someone or something else. For example, the book is on the table, okay, so the book in relationship to the table, the book is physically on the table. Okay, I'm going to the store. Okay, so this is in relation to where I'm going in relation to the store. I'm going to the store. And she is at school. Okay, that's her position in terms of where she is. She is at school. Okay, how many prepositions are there in Italian? There are 9 basic prepositions. However, many adverbs can also be used in place of or together with these basic prepositions. Okay, so this category can be much bigger if you include all the adverbs and other things that can be used also to describe the position to someone or something else. Okay, so the basic prepositions are a, meaning at or to, di, meaning of or from, da, meaning from, by, or since, depending on context, in, which is in or into, and then we have per, which means for, con, which is with, su, which is on or about, and tra or fra, which means between or among. These are interchangeable. Okay, so whichever one you feel like using, tra or fra. Note, di is often used to show possession. Okay, so we don't have apostrophe S in Italian like we do in English to show possession. So in English, we'd say, this is Paola's phone number. But in Italian, we would say, questo è il numero di Paola. Okay, so di Paola is the same as saying Paola's phone number. Da is often used to say where someone lives or works. Okay, so you can say, are you going to Louisa's house afterwards? And you would say in Italian, vai da Luisa dopo. Okay, so da Luisa just means Louisa's house, like where she lives. So da Luisa, of Louisa. You can also use it to show a workplace. So, are you going to the dentist's office tomorrow? You can say, vai dal dentista domani. Okay, so da plus dal dentista domani just means to the dentist's office tomorrow.